This case also reminds us that when reputational damage is an issue, the beginning of this case, the heart of this case is alleged reputational damage. So it reminds us that when that is the issue, arrest should not be the first, but the last resort. And a last resort on what test? Can you achieve the objects of proper investigation without arrest? Is arrest the only way I can investigate his alleged defamatory comment? Is arrest the only way because this case is bristling with flight risk, that if I do not arrest him and custodially interrogate him, he will flee? Arrest is the only way because I will not be able to summon him and sit with him and interrogate him without arrest. Arrest is the only way because he will tamper with documents or with witnesses. Lawyers call it the triple test. Now, on the face of it, when this test is not satisfied, let us assume there was an error, let us assume the right is this or the right is that. Irrespective of that, the press conference, which is alleged to have caused reputational damage, had everything in the public sphere, transparently. Documents were also transparently demonstrated or used. Well, in that case, clearly, if the triple test is satisfied in favor of the accused, then the only object of arrest, of custodial interrogation, especially in a political adversarial context, can be humiliation, harassment, scoring a political point. And that is the message both in the text and the spirit of this judgment.